Hi everyone, we are both the founders of Being ACCA, Punya and Tushita. This video we are bringing up to announce our recent test series for the June 2025 attempt. Now, the March attempt has gone by and you would have received your results or would be probably receiving your results soon when this video comes out. So, this video is to let you people know about the recent test series program that we offer. So we are, if you have been here a while, then you would know that we offer in the skills level for papers like PM, FM, and AA. And now we have an addition to this. As you people requested so much, we have onboarded with us someone who is now going to conduct it for tax paper also for you. So this is a new addition. We'll speak about it later in the video. And then for the professional level, we are currently taking up test series for AFM, SBL, and AAA. So these are the three papers that we offer for in the professional level. Now, we will just briefly be talking about what all is included as a part of test series, what all are you going to get, what can you expect if you enroll for the test series, and how it can help you.
Yes. So if we just quickly talk about how does the test series work. So test series is series of 6 topic wise tests that we have curated. Now these tests, so basically if I talk about skill level first, there are 6 topic wise tests and then there will be a final mock that we will be evaluating for you people. So the 6 topic wise tests that we have made, we have made it topic wise so that you get a good preparation of each and every topic that ACCA has given us. So that will cover major portion of actually all the portion of the syllabus that you have in particular papers. And for professional level we have 5 topic wise tests again and then one final mock evaluation. So basically how this flows is we give you the test, so basically they are uploaded on our Being ACCA portal. You attempt the test, you submit it back to us via the portal, we evaluate, give you the feedback, and then you can let us know if you have any doubts. So doubts are answered via our WhatsApp group that we have. You can also personally message on being your our business accounts as well. So that is how the process flows. It basically helps you to understand the concepts really well, because they are we are evaluating for you. And there is especially for the students who are self studying, and also for the people whose tutors are not really with them in their preparation. These test series will really help you people out, because again you will get to know where are you making your mistakes in, what are the concepts that you're not very good in, all of these before the exams only. And then again we will help you navigate through how to move ahead with all of these things, right? So this is a basic flow that we have created. And also we have been doing this from past 2.5 years for these particular papers, except the tax, which is a new addition for June attempt. And we have received a really good responses for all of these papers. And I think this really helps students. You can check out the testimonials on our Instagram page and you will get to know yourself that these are something which is really helpful for you. So that's that for that. Now talking about the new addition, which is the tax test series that we have for June 25 attempt. Now this is an addition that we made on request of you people, because every other attempt we were getting requests that please bring up tax. And even for FR we have a lot of requests for FR. We'll try and bring that as well. Please stay tuned for that as well. We are slowly integrating everything, so we just want to take it a little slow. So this time we have it for tax. Now we both are not taking for tax, so there will be a third party. Basically we have onboarded somebody who will be under Being ACCA only, who will be with us only. And everything, the whole process during the classes, during the live debriefs, etc., we will be there in the loop. So do not think so that we are not there, because we know the trust factor. And so just to tell
So
you about,
he's become a part of Being ACCA.
yes,
So the test series is going to be conducted by Being ACCA.
yeah.
His name is Suhas, and he's working currently in the audit domain in one of the big fours. Just to let you know that he is the world first tax rank holder. Like, he has scored the highest marks whenever he attempted the paper. In the entire world, he scored the highest marks. So we are ensuring that we are bringing to you a mentor who will deliver quality like we deliver it for the PM, FM, and other papers. So be rest assured that you're going to be in very safe and capable capable hands when
Yeah.
it comes to mentoring you people. So tax is this new addition that we are going to be bringing in.
Yes, and
Um,
same flow will go for tax as well. You will be
Absolutely.
having 6 topic-wise tests, and you will be having mock evaluation. There will be, again, I think I forgot to mention that there will be live debrief also available for tax specifically, just like you have the recorded debrief for PM and FM already. So
This
basically,
attempt, we're also having live debriefs of PM and FM. So it's a
yeah,
new addition to the
addition.
test series that you're going to be receiving. Earlier, students used to get recordings of the debriefs. Now I'm going to conduct these sessions live for you because I want it to be as interactive as possible. I will be asking you people questions, you people going to giving me responses. So this is how I want this to be as interactive as possible. Similar format is going to be followed for your tax paper also. Your new mentor is going to guide you in all the best ways possible. So yeah, this is what we are bringing for you people in as a part of the test series for the June resetters. So ensure that whatever paper you're attempting for, you do your enrollments on time because we will be running limited slots only, like always.
And again, this, the reset test series is for the students who are resetting for a particular attempt. Probably in the previous attempt you were not able to clear because of XYZ reasons. So again, now this is how this is different from the regular batches that we run, is that we will provide you mentorship in terms of where did you go wrong. So for the skills level, ACCA uploads the MEP, which is my exam performance, on their ACCA portal. So we will be evaluating those. We'll be telling you where did you go wrong, what are the topics that you were lagging in previously, so that again you can work better on those topics. So that is again an addition that we do for the resetters, just to provide you better quality and better mentorship for the next attempt. And again, last thing I want to say regarding the tests that we offer are that the tests that are created, they are not the questions in the test are not taken from anywhere else. So you won't find those questions in BPP, Kaplan Kits, or Study Hub. Those are new questions because again, the purpose of the test series is to bring you new questions, make you practice, make you understand concepts, and we do not want to repeat the same questions in the test, because that's not a value addition that we're going to do. So for all the papers that we offer in the skills level, the questions will be new, curated by us on the ACCA scheme only. But the questions in the professional level test series, that is AFM, SBL, and AAA, those will be the previous questions only, because there the more subjective part comes, because there we are telling you if the drafting is okay, if
Yeah.
you've written it
That's where
okay.
the drafting actually needs to be
Yeah.
worked upon and not the number crunching.
Hmm.
So that's why it is being designed in accordance to that. The skills papers are fresh questions, nowhere seen before, and you will have your professional papers completely evaluated by us, where we will be letting you people know where you're going wrong with the drafting aspect, what all can you add in your answers to improve them.
Yep.
Yeah.
So that's all from our side. If you have any doubts, any questions, you can comment down below. You can reach us out on our Instagram page, which is Being ACCA, and you can also WhatsApp us on our business numbers. And if you want to register, there's a link in the description box given to you, so you can directly go there and register for the test series. So all the
Absolutely.
very best for your June attempt.